Okay, so Miss Crafty Kitty is hosting a collaboration today. It is called the Shop Your Home Rainy Day DIY. And oh my goodness, we are in California and there is definitely some rain. So, unbelievable, right? So I am gonna go out to my garage. She said to shop your home, your attic, your garage, whatever. And I am so super embarrassed to show you my garage because I've got so much stuff everywhere. But I kind of know what I want. And all these little cabinets here, actually got these off of Craigslist, but they have my crafting materials in them. So I am going to shop my home. Let me see what I can find. Okay, so I found the box that I was looking for. So I'm going to use this yarn here and maybe this ribbon here. Oops, it's all stuck in there. And there is some silver ribbon here. So I think I'm going to use those. Get out of there. Oh my goodness. And let's see what we have in here. Might need some glue. Do I need that? I don't think I need that. Okay, let's go play. Okay, so since we're shopping our home, I am going to use these balloons down here. Since they're almost deflated, I think before I cut them off, I'm going to put some use to them. They look egg-shaped, correct? Okay, so all I'm going to do is take all the glue I can possibly find in my home and put it into a bowl. So we have a cross between Elmer's and Eileen's. Hopefully I can, between the two, I can have enough to put something together. And we're just going to add in a little bit of water. I'm just going to stir it with my finger because my fingers are going to get disgusting anyway. And then take this. Isn't this yarn pretty? It has little sparkles of silver in it. I just thought this was really pretty. And drop that right on in. All right, let's start with this first. Just gonna toss that in there, get it all nice and coated with all that glue and water. And then I'm gonna take my balloon and just start kind of wiring it all around. We're just going to let this sit here for a little while, see how it looks. And when I say a little while, I mean overnight. I guess I better clean my hands. Okay, so it has been sitting here for 24 hours now, and I have to admit I am a little unsure about this one. But let's give it a try. I can't even poke a hole in it with scissors. This is one of those DIYs I can already tell that have gone wrong. Let's see if there's any way we can form this into something spectacular. See how it's all like sticking to the balloon? It's that glue. Hopefully, once I get it all pulled apart, see? Oh my goodness. Hopefully, once it's all pulled apart, I can string it back together and make it look okay again. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh my gosh, so this absolutely did not turn out how I was expecting, but I am going to try and make it work. So what I have is, I need some weight obviously on the bottom, so I have some little candy dish. I made a little hole in here. So I can grab some candies. So now it's starting to take a little more of an egg shape, I believe. Oh gosh. I have this little bunny that I got from Target. Came in a package for like, I don't know, like $3 or something like that. So I'm gonna stick him in there behind everything. Maybe his ears will perk it up and make it look a little more eggy. And then, what else do I have to put in here? No, Georgie, you can't have that. I have this little butterfly. Stick that in there. And my little ribbon. So we'll just kind of tie it to the very top here. I'm just going to do a simple little bow. Okay, so here's my little deformed candy dish. Isn't it so cute? But gotta have a little place to pick up some little whoppers, right? So, okay, so I wouldn't recommend this, and if you do try it this way, I would just basically just add a whole lot more yarn. But I wanted to make sure that it had an opening so you could stick your hand in there, because I had intended it to be a candy dish to begin with. So I will show you how it's displayed. Plus, I have one more for you. Hold on just one second. This one is really cute. I got these napkins from Walmart. So I am going to wrap these up to look like little bunny ears. See how it looks like a little bunny ear? And then just take my little napkin holder and stick it in there. See? It's adorable. So that is going to be on my table setting, and I have these little eggs that I got from Ross. I think they're adorable. And just stick it right there in the hole. So let's go see how everything is all displayed. So cute. Okay, so definitely not one of my best DIYs, but you can see the little bunny in there. You can put your hand in there. Grab some whoppers. I just love those little whopper eggs. And I don't know, I think it turned out kind of cute. I think if I were to do it again, I would have added more yarn and I don't know, maybe use thinner yarn or something. Maybe string would have been better, but I don't know, it's kind of cute. It has an egg shape to it. It's not as hideous as I thought it was going to be. So, okay, let me go show you the bunny ears real quick. Okay, and here's my little place setting, my cute little bunny ears. This is my little tablescape. This was a little DIY that I did a while ago. I just used nail polish on that. And everything here came from Ross. Well, except for that. I think that was all Dollar Tree stuff. And I know we're not supposed to use Dollar Tree, I'm sorry. But yeah, everything else came from Ross. And these were actually a gift from my mom, my silverware. I just love that. Here is my casa. So, there are my little bunny ears. So I hope you liked my little DIYs. Thank you so much, Crafty Kitty, for hosting this collaboration. I cannot wait to watch the playlist and see what everybody else has come up with and what they were able to find in their homes. And yeah, so fun. Wish this one had turned out just a little bit better, but actually I think it turned out quite cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.